Hi everyone, welcome to another channel. Welcome to the Sports Fan YouTube channel. So today we are going to be making a t-shirt but tie-dye. We're going to show you how to make it. We have some instructions right here if you can see. We might be using them just in case if we need anything. So we're going to put that aside. So here we have our shirt and some little papers, so when we're done we can just clean our hands. And we have our paint. Today I'm going to be using light green, yellow green, green yellow, and dark green. So I have my Sharpie so when we're done we can mark the shirts, and a glove so I can use. I'm only going to use one glove because I don't want to use a whole bunch, and I'm only going to use the glove that I'm going to use to paint. So right now we're going to get our rubber bands. We're only going to use like maybe 3, maybe just 2 rubber bands. Depends if we're just going to do like space and then skip some. So yeah, we have our glove right here. So now I'm going to show you, before you start painting, you're going to have to straighten the shirt out so it's good and not all messy and all that. So in order to do the shirt, you have to pinch in the middle. Make sure you have both sides, middle, front, and back. And then start twisting it. We're going to twist it. Now we're going to get a rubber band and tie it. Doesn't have to be perfect. Could be, but sometimes not everything in the world is perfect. Let me fix it again. If we keep struggling, we're going to be right back, but not yet. It's a little confusing to tie it sometimes. Sometimes people struggle when they do this stuff. It's actually really hard. It takes some practice or some stuff to do it. Or you can watch a video and you can watch us. Our YouTube channel. I'm gonna hold it like this so it doesn't move. Now I'm gonna tie it like this. Just gonna tie it 4 because I think that's gonna be good. Just 4. I'm not done tying it yet because I have to make sure everything is tied up so nothing is sticking out. And so it's going to be easier to paint it. And not like all struggling and hard. Sorry for all the screaming. My brothers are playing Fortnite. Let's make this tight so nothing. So here it is for our tying finale. Here it is. You can come closer to look for yourself. This is how we're going to paint it. So you can see front and back. People usually prefer to do both, so it'll look really nice and pretty. Now we're going to use the paints, aqua and green. Actually, I'm going to start off with dark green, so we can get that. So if you don't have to do 4, you can do like maybe 3 rubber bands, because if you want to keep a space and keep some light, you could do it. And in order to do the paints, here there's, for the thing when you get the bottle, it has something on the very back. You have to read it. So it has this line right here. You can see it. That line is there for a reason. You have to fill up the water up to that line. And the powder is already in there. And you have to shake it really good until it's fully dissolved. So we are good. Now, once you've got your shirt all done and tied up, get a glove and put it on. So now that we have our glove, we can just start painting. I would prefer for your shirt, wear an old shirt so it won't get all messed up, and so you have one that will be good and you don't have whole bunch of clothes right here, sorry. So now let's get to painting. So I'm gonna start off with green. Let's fix this a little bit before we get our actual paint. I would prefer you not paint when you have, or like put the rubber bands when you have your gloves on, because it's gonna be really difficult. So, wow. Okay, let's get to painting. Let's do the short ones. A little bit closer, so could be even. Yes. So let's go. Now my hands are gonna get dirty again. It's okay. It's very messy. We'll be right back with this in a little bit to show you how it turned out. Bye.